Burp. 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 Burbs. Oh my god, it's birds. Bird.
This movie studio is too big for the both of us, DJ. It is. Nonsense, darling. What? Next.
I'm about to join a gang.
Well, you do when you can't get into the reception. And receptionist, can you please close off that vent already?
You see my fingers here? You see how they're snapping? That is the universal bird sign for beat it.
How rude.
Oh look, my fingers have taken a liking to you. Look at them go. Snap, snap, snap.
You know what? I can do the same.
Catch my drift?
I can do the same. You want? See, I'm doing the same thing. I can snap my fingers. I can snap my fingers. Huh? Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Iconic. Uno. Dos. That was not my fault. Oh god. I am in debt. Hey. Beat it. Beat it. Beat it. Beat it. I am inside his afro. Get dunked on. Oh god, the camera almost killed me. You love to see it. Oh god, no. You want? Beat it. Beat it. That's right. Beat it. Oh god, he's gonna see me again. Literally, how do these birds not see me? Okay, there we go. Oh, whack. Bloody peck necks. Nobody can see me. Nobody can see me. See, not even this bird. You want it? Bird? Beat it. Beat it.
Magnificent. Stunning. This trophy is everything I desire. On the shelf in my living room. Oh my, what is that I see? Is it true inner beauty? An innocent soul with a heart of gold?
Fabulous.
We need to give you a bird passport, darling. Step right over here. The most important part of a passport is the picture, darling. You have to look flashy and stunning. Step right over here. Let's take the pic. You've got to fix this ugly mugshot up with some old-fashioned photo doctoring. Here, take these markers and turn yourself into the most stylish, fashionable young lady.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get rid of the useless part of this image. See, that's way better. Okay, now what we gotta do is we gotta draw a circle. So then I draw a face, big, beautiful, gleaming eyeballs. Yay. Then we gotta add we gotta make a happy little smile. See, look at how happy he is. And we gotta add the nose, because the nose is the most important part. There we go. That has been painting with Bob Ross.
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
I'm sorry, is he an owl? He doesn't look like an owl.
Here, hold our newest prop. Practice showing it off and bring it to my movie set tomorrow. You got that? Don't be late.
Beat it. Intruder alert. Is it a new friend? No. No. Do I really have to talk to her? Of all people? Fine.
What a lovely spaceship you have here. Sorry for the break and entering. I just really wanted to see what an alien spaceship is like.
Well, you know what? Nobody asked for you, so you can leave if you want. Just get out of here. I can do this without you, see? How do I made a burger. Burger. I'll see you in hell. Bird. Bird. Actually, you're like a dinosaur. And a finale. Bird. Oh my god, it's all the birds. We got penguins. More penguins. Disco penguin.
You need to become a diva.
I get to be an actor. So I'm taking inspiration from the greatest actor of all time, Tommy Wiseau.
Look at that!
I think I killed the dog.
Up it down, safe and sound.
That's a good story, Mark. I didn't really save him. Don't let the cops know. Don't let the cops know. Oh, hi, Mark.
Call, darling. Looks like it's endorsement time. All you penguins out there know my name, DJ Grooves. And I'm telling you, this young girl here is the next hot thing. Guaranteed. This game is easy to understand, darling. You just guess which number of card the other player's holding from 1 to 10. Which card do you think he's holding, darling?
Four.
Make sure you join her fan club, DJ Grooves. Ow.
Oh. I'm too powerful. Shut off anyway. Beat it. Beat it. Beat it. I think I'm the greatest actor of all time. I mean, how many people can perfect that good story? Bloody peck neck. He's holding a knife. That's not safe. No, no, no.
Hello there, fellow owl. I don't believe we've had the pleasure of meeting. As you can tell, I am also an express owl. I do much hooting. From one owl to another, we can share details, yes? What is your uncle's sister's maiden name?
Well, screw it. Her name is...
Oh, do you know that having a pet helps improve self-confidence and relieve stress? Did you also know that pets can have pets? It is true. Unfortunately, us express owls are not allowed to have pets. It is a sacrifice we must make in the name of hooting. But if you had a pet, what do you think the name of your pet's childhood pet would be?
Ooh, I got just the name. I'm naming it after one of my cats.
Is certainly an interesting. Which body part of yours are you the most ashamed of, fellow express owl?
Oh, I think there's a very obvious answer for this. Wait, no. I messed up spelling. I think there's a very obvious answer. I get to be Sherlock Holmes.
No!
It had been a minute since the murder. I don't know the way to go. I am forced to the back of the train, but after countless research, I've acquired evidence, clues, notes. I saw mass brainwashing and even ran into my pet's pet. After all of that, I've come to the conclusion that the true murderer was myself.
You did it! Why, yes, it all makes sense. You saw the Express Owl all by himself, a lonely victim in your master scheme. With a hatred for society and its rapidly increasing progress of transportation, you strike down the first passenger you saw. His body laid like a mannequin, with blood spilling everywhere, and the smell. It woke your inner demons. Then you tore off his limbs and ate them one by one, like an animal lusting for blood. That's how it happened, wasn't it?
Yes. Okay, that took way too long. I expected better reviews than that. Oh, crap. And I can't afford that. Well. The big parade! Hi there.
Hello, darling. Welcome to the largest studio set you'll ever see. We're about to start recording The Big Parade, the movie that'll take the breath away from audiences worldwide. You'll be the star, as always.
Whoa. Oh, time to ignore that. Or better yet. Yay.
You look great, darling.
Get ready.
Hello. Hi there. Hi there. Yay. Wee. Dude, everybody loves me. Ooh, do I get to light things on fire? Oh god. Oh god. My own oh god, my entire parade is after me. No. Oh, hi there. You got friendship for me? Friendship. Yeah. Easy. Come on, band. Pick up. Oh god, they're here. I don't want to say hi anymore. Good day. I am Speed. Ooh. God, the band's back. This man is legitimately trying to kill me with these. Oh god, the fireworks are actually shooting at me. No. See? Easy. Oh god, it's still shooting at me. Why? What did I do to deserve this? And my band's still trying to kill me. I did it! Yay! This game is chill and relaxed. Peace and tranquility. No. I did it. I did it! Yay! I got the thing! Choo-choo. There's a big X here, so I'm assuming this means positivity.
Alright, lassie. Listen up. I have some bad news.
Okay.
That lever you just pulled, it starts the train self-destruct sequence, and that ain't no joke. It'll blow up.
Okay, Dr. D.
Oh, you made it! And in time!
I am Speed. I did it! Who's the winner? Yeah. His dancing is kind of obnoxious, but like, at least he's an actual bird instead of whatever the hell that thing is. He won.
What, you were expecting something crazy to happen? Nonsense, darling. Nonsense.
Okay. Look at that, Chad. Elevator. Hello. Let me get out of the elevator. Let me out. Okay, this part's actually. Oh. Thank you, game. Nice to see you. Ooh, what's over here? Oh, it's the moon landing. Oh my god, it's me. It's also me, and it's not me. Oh wait, no.
Look who we've
Nothing
got,
interesting
Doc.
nearby.
I guess you found my little secret, huh?
Hi there.
This last timepiece is all for me, darling. If you want it, well, I guess you've just gotta come and get it.
Well, I'm gonna use what I learned from your penguins. Beat it. Bam. Oh god, no, no, no. There we go, easy.
Ladies and gentlemen!
Oh god, why? Okay, everything's fine. There we go. Oh god, he's gonna stab me. Ah! Die. Oh, he's got a knife again. Who gave a penguin a knife? And he's got a knife again. Nope. You know what? Beat it. Beat it. Oh god, he's got multiple. Knife, knife, knife. It's knife to see you. There we go. Okay, I got this. And now there's 5 of them. Great. Just gonna walk on by. There we go. Okay. He's literally not touching the piano.
Let's have a little heart to heart. Have a seat, darling.
Do I have to send... Oh, okay.
Since you arrived on this planet, these timepieces have fallen from the sky. Now, I can understand if you feel they belong to you, darling. I understand. But did you know they allow for rewinding time? With one timepiece, I could reclaim all the trophies that belong to me, darling. Every single trophy I've lost to the conductor when he has cheated his way to victory. I can't prove it, darling, but I'm certain the conductor has been manipulating everything to make sure I never win. I just need one timepiece to fix years of cheating and fraud. Can't you spare me just one timepiece, darling?
No!
Darling, darling, darling.
Didn't you already say that? Oh. What? Hello?
1 minute and 20 seconds till self-destruct. Hurry.
Oh god, he's got saws. Oh god, got him, got him. Oh my god, it's Xander Mobith. Oh god, beat it, beat it. Beat it. There we go. Oh god, what? They just teleported on me. Oh god, knife. Oh my god. Where is he? There, die. Come on, damn it, die. Oh my god. I got him. Get dunked on.